Alright, this is Adam from Tennessee doing the speed shave with the new cool OmniShaver. I got good old Walmart shave butter. And I'm actually at work today, and this is most of the time, this is where I end up having a little bit of time to do a quick shave. And the speed of that OmniShaver is very handy when you're at work and don't have a lot of free time. So, all right. I work for a fire department / ambulance service, and if I get free time between calls, I don't want to spend a lot of time doing stuff like this. So this is definitely a very good thing. What used to take, I don't know, probably around 10 minutes to get a really good shave, I average probably 2 or 3 minutes with this. That's on an average. Sometimes it's less, sometimes more. I had about 4 days of growth on this shave. So all you do with this, hold it in your hand. There's no long handle, no trying to look in the mirror and see what you're doing in the opposite way. You just hold it in your hand and back and forth motion, self-cleaning, self-shaving. And all my life my barber told me I had a horrible hairline, and that was in the back I have a swirl of hair growth. I never knew what he was talking about until I started shaving my head. And I do. In the back it swirls around. So I have to do a couple of different directions on it. Except this one was a little bit longer than I usually let it get. I let that do that just for this video. But I think I'm almost done. Get the neck right here. And that's it. Self-cleaning OmniShaver. We'll bring you down here. I know you can't see smoothness on camera, but boy, if you could. And what did that take? GoPro showing 3 minutes 57 seconds from the beginning of the video, so I'm gonna say around 3 minutes. You will not go wrong with an OmniShaver.